Okay, so how to roast these wonderful kidney yang foods. I'm going to show you how to roast them in your oven at home. So I got these chestnuts, they're just from Lidl, and I have a sharp knife, a sharp paring knife. So good chestnuts shouldn't be too soft or soggy. Choose the flat side and just take a knife, put them down on the table and score down the middle of the chestnut. This one's been particularly tricky. But what you can see is I now have a slit in the chestnut. Okay, so that as they cook, it's going to expand, it's going to get bigger, but it's not going to explode in my oven. When you've got that, just take a bowl of water and pop them in a bowl of water, and you want to soak them for about 20 minutes before popping them in a preheated oven at 350. So once these have been soaking for a while, I'm just popping them into a baking tray. You can also soak them in wine if you like, but I don't think it's worth the wine. And here I am, putting them in the oven. That'll need to stay in there for about 25 minutes. I like to save one chestnut that is not scored, because when this explodes in the oven, it will tell me pretty much that they're done. So they've been in the oven for about half an hour and they're nice and done. You can see they're nicely split open. And let's peel them. So here we go, we're going to peel them, just opening them. So you want to take off that brown fluffy skin. Yoppa. And there you go, there's your lovely chestnut.